TikTok hypes it, we check it. So today we're putting a $50 drone up against a Mavic 2. Flight test, camera test, and yes, we're gonna race them. And at some point, we're gonna be running from them too.
Coming in this corner, 750 grams, the DJI versus the budget drone at 109. Had my buddy who has experience drive the drone, and shortly after went right into the trees.
In the trees!
Great thing is I had gloves and a long sleeve, so no poison ivy for me.
Not crazy, look, it's actually stable. What? That's actually really... What's beeping? I heard it. Oh, there it goes right there. Now we race them.
On your marks, get set, go!
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5,
And now I'm racing.
2, 3.
I would have been dead if that drone was something else.
Now for the camera quality. The DJI Mavic comes with a stunning 4K.
Look, the Mavic 2 is still a certified pro, but the $50 drone, it flies and records, but that's pretty much it. Aside from that, it was still pretty fun to fly this thing. I'd give it a certified hype for the budget, but if you want something professional, it's definitely a flop.
Certified flop.
Another hype check. Subscribe if you want more hype and chaos.